Listen, I am about finished with my little Fry Daddy. You can find this on Amazon, and they will send you a Fry Daddy just like this, maybe larger. I don't know. We're gonna look over in my French fries. Don't they look at that? Now I'm gonna open this up and show you what I've done so far. Yummy! Woo! That looks so good. I can just get me some ketchup and said, forget the burger. Okay. But speaking of burgers, let's look at the burger. They are done. They are ready to be put on a sandwich. I did a bunch of them because we eat all night long. 2 o'clock in the morning, up eating the burger. I had the pots and pans rattling. I don't even move because I know it's Maddie in the kitchen, and she is not cooking. She's eating the burger. Alright, that's it. I'm going to show you the sandwich in a minute. Okay. Straight from the kitchen. This is not McDonald's, but Mike Dobbins. How you like it? I am out of here. Now I'm going to share this with Sweet Angel. You got some junk.
Come on now. You can do it. You can do it. Y'all, I was just turning the camera on, finishing up my makeup, and guess who shows up? My goodness, look at there. Mike is on the job. Y'all forget Burger King, McDonald's show ain't got nothing on that. This is awesome, babe.
This is not McDonald's, but Mike Dobbins.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Get that kids before I start eating this onion. Y'all look at there. Ooh.